You soon hear. Cause
Can't
Climax
do
I
it.
tell them everything.
Can't do it. So, because that's why man tell you
Climax
man,
Aisha
the
and
man
talk.
tell you in a revelation. Tell them. The man respond and say, yo, you hear what me answer now? Boy, tell them to tell the secret. Tell them the secret. Bust it out. Say what you say, yo. The man no business, bro. Man no business, dog. Tommy Lee not ready for the war, man. Yo.
Watch out now.
John, what you?
You see when Tommy Lee drop the next song, yeah?
Mm.
You're going to eat your words, you know. I tell you already, you know.
Me not eat it, dog. Me
Tell
not
you
go
already,
eat
you
it
know.
because Masicka.
A mosquito no have no drive, dog.
Dog.
A mosquito
You know,
no
so
have
if
no
you be
drive.
honest in yourself, dog. If you be
Me
honest,
rate Masicka
no,
as a artist,
hold
bro.
on. Overall, tricks. If you be honest in yourself, we do a fair judgment of the war,
So
right?
me not honest.
Right?
Mosquito.
No, take the Gaza cloud of the clogs off your eyes for a minute, dog. Remove the glasses, because probably it can cloud up your eyes. Remove that, bro, and judge the thing. Especially in the third round, yeah.